I'm right now standing in front of an iconic mall in Singapore that's going to close forever in year 2026, the second half. This is the Harbourfront Centre. So let's check it out before it closes, man. So it came out the news, Harbourfront Centre will close in the second half of 2026. And then you'll complete only the 2031, no, the first half. And then you'll redevelop into 5 floors of office. 26 floor offices, 5 floor retail, and 13,000 square meter elevator park. First impression, luggages. There's a big McDonald's here and many socks here. Really amazing. Hey, a few thousand socks right here, no kidding though. Even the socks for the kids, the children, and for the men. This is the Kawata House of Socks. Malatang in the corner. That is nice view. Right here, the Singapore Cruise Center at level 2 Harbourfront Center. You can see the, they call it the cable cars, right? Wow. We're going to Batam. The names Batam Fast Harbour Bay. And opposite is Sentosa, you know. No, it's over there, man. There's a toast box here as well. There are lots of departure ferry from here. Departure to Batam, Segupa, they both in Indonesia. Even the luggage, the weigher, the machine. Oh, look at the nice waffles. You guys know what this is, right? Looks scary, right? You know, I tell you, it's a Boca Bella Verita fortune teller right here. For $2, so I place your hand during reading. They'll give you your love, health, and business, but don't trust it too much. You know, just take a pinch of salt. As in, everyone likes to hear the good things, but nobody likes to hear the bad things. It's one of the biggest don here, as in Don Donkey. Oh, you can baggage storage right here, $6. Less than 10 kilo, $3 for 3 hours. You know. This place be gone, man. And then where do the people go and take the boat to Batam? They have to go and take the flight, right? There's no more boat from here. Or maybe from Tanah Merah Ferry Terminal, there's a boat. Services to Batam. So my guess, these people and these tenants in the Harbourfront Centre, they'll relocate to somewhere with little less rent, maybe the neighborhood malls, depending where's the seller decision. Sometimes near their home, maybe in Ang Mo Kio, Toa Payoh. And this way actually leads to the VivoCity. Going to make a U-turn right now to the other side. I kind of like this little game here, Rescue. MBC Beauty Shop. I think I saw Sofa Bak Kut Teh also, the corner. Yoshinoya. There are 2 foreigners there, one Jordan and one Kari. What a name, huh? Refresh. Hey, that side is links to the MRT. But before that, let's look at the Sofa Bak Kut Teh. You know, Singaporeans, they eat any time of day, 24 hours. Since 1969, it's a long time ago. Oh, this is a new outlet. VivoCity, this one 13, 14. But here is Harbourfront. So VivoCity, they have another outlet. Yora. I wonder how the handphone shop survived. I mean, it's stuck at the corner here. Oh, amazing. And this way it looks to Vivo City. So near like a U-turn to level 1. I think level 1 there are some more restaurants I'm here to explore. By the way, this way it leads to the Harbourfront Towers. And Bank of America Harbourfront, and there's a KFC right here. There's a new menu called Smoky Kitamani Chicken. And a Subway there. Oh, this bridge, right, it also links to the Harbourfront bus interchange and the Harbourfront Hawker Centre at the corner, opposite. I'm inside the Boleh food court, level 1, the Harbourfront Centre, the steaming some soup, and then satay, claypot rice, Sarawak pulut mi popiah, char kway teow chicken rice, and so much more. Yong tau hu and the mixing food. It's not too big, maybe there are about 10 stalls, but for the hungry traveler, right, maybe you just take 1 or 2 meals from just to 1 or 2 stores. The food is enough, right? Nobody eat everything. But the way there's Shi Li Fang hotpot right here. And they're giving away some toys. I mean, this is the point system. For the large point, 120 point, medium, 60 points and more. I think it's just so cute. Shi Li Fang hotpot single value meal $9.90. $1.50 per person, unlimited ice cream, free flow drinks and dipping sauce. Nice environment. Oh, this table of playing the soccer, red versus blue, has been in Singapore for the past decades. At least 20 or 30 years ago. What is this? Mobile phone accessories. Just accessories, they don't sell phones. And the coca trees, of course I know, like chocolates. Let's see anything special right here. Toblerone. The Singapore chocolates, Malayan. So right here at the level 1 of Singapore Cruise Centre, there is a very big company providing the services like travel, Sentosa Tour, Malaysia Coach, tourism, and you can shipping here. Interesting. Shipping to Singapore, Indonesia and Malaysia. There's even transport and limousine service, so you can go from Singapore to Indonesia and then Malaysia. For shipping, I mean, not for the person transporting people. But you can buy your discounted tickets for the cable car, Sentosa attraction, hot on off, city tour bus, by the day. And lucky services as well. They're promoting the Peranakan house right here. So where is it, man? The Intan. Oh, look at that, it's 141 kilo. It's so heavy. Oh, chocolate lovers rejoice. There's a coca trees here. You can buy some last minute souvenir before you leave Singapore. How come I feel like I'm a tour guide now in the airport? But anyway, there's lots of stuff happening here. Harbourfront Centre, it'll be quite sad if they all leave. Because all of them have to leave, when the government decide to redevelop this area in the second half of 2026. It's just a few months away. Now it's February, right? So second half means from June. So from now to June, it's only less than 3 months. It's going to be end of February soon. Wow. Hey, by the way, there's a nice money note right here. They have the notes from Indonesia, Singapore, the old dollar notes. I like the $1 note and the $5 note, and as well the 500. And guess what? Last time there's a 10,000 note as well. And by the way, there's a lucky catcher here. Oh, the Hello Kitty looks cute. You can exchange the token. $2 and 2 tokens, $5 give you 6, $10 15, and $50 give you $80. So basically, the more you change, the more tokens you get. The more tokens you get, it means you can pray more. And that's a Chai Seng Ye, right? God of Fortune. Interesting. You know, coming to this place, I feel that I'm in the airport, you know, because there are a lot of luggage being pulled around by people. Beauty nutritious soup, 实心食补鸡汤. What's this, man? Fish head style. Fish head set meal. Traditional Cantonese style steamed fish and with the Moss burger right here. Oh, it's been years, man, since I eat the Moss burger. They have now new some burgers here. They love mushroom, truffle, teriyaki chicken, and fish. You know, something is funny about this shop. It's closed, man, but they're light inside. So please stop collective for they sell here some Hot Wheels and toy cars. Wow, Formula One. I like this song, man. I forgot the name, but it's very romantic. Especially if you play this song during the candlelight dinner of your loved ones. Very nice, right? The piano music. If somebody is proposing to his girlfriend, can use this song as a cover. Oh, look at this cover closing down sale. DNC. Ya Kun is having a daily promotion right here at HarbourFront Centre, 2 to 5:30. 1 toast plus 1 cup coffee tea, 1 toast plus 2 coffee, 620. Choice of 2 yen yang kaya butter toast, top up $2.60 for 1 a la carte toast. I think it's a good deal, you know. But you won't get this price during the peak hours. Hey, surprisingly, there's some kind of food court at the corner. I almost didn't see it. It's called EAT, Eats. So it's the street food of Singapore here, the chicken chop, curry rice, laksa, fish ball, mee po, and satay bee hoon, assorted finger food. And last year, the 4D's Bakery, they call it Express. What is the thing of Express over here? Is it fast checkout or something? Magua, frost flowers. So thanks everyone for watching this simple video walkthrough of the HarbourFront Centre, the mall that's going to close soon in the next few months in year 2026. Well, you know, Singapore government, they develop a lot of places, so malls have to go, buildings have to go, and people have to go too. I think some stuff are going to be retrenched if the shops are not going to continue the assistance or their business anymore. The business will close and then the staff will go, right? So the staff will find a new job. So it's that thing, but this is a reality of life anywhere in the world. It's the same thing. Alright, end my video here. So thanks everyone, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.